Last week, I had a call from one of the big multinational company in Coimbatore. That plant head called me for inventory health checkup. Actually, we are doing inventory health checkup as a free of cost to, I mean, that industry can understand how their inventory is going to help them to improve their process and delivery, and what are the shortages. So I went there and I collected all the data and put it in our Saya planner, and we found that there are a lot of excess PO has been placed. So this is what finally we understood. So what we decided, we tried to understand based on the aging bucket. Since they are using SAP, and also they didn't have the warehouse management, so that is little bit cumbersome to understand the aging based on real consumption. For example, we cannot consider metal to metal transfer. We cannot consider stock adjustment. So these are the little bit complicated. I mean, not a little bit. This is the biggest complication there. So what I did is we wrote some codes and to extract data, because we had around there are 5 years data, and each year they had a movement of around 2 lakhs to 2 lakhs 50,000. I think this is the 2 lakhs 58,593. So this is a very big data, but we extracted from what is the real movement, and we did it. Okay, finally, that is not the big deal. Okay, because we had the stuff, and we did it. But what we the surprise moment is, okay, what is the surprise moment? I mean, this is the not the good surprise, this is a bad surprise for us. You can see there are 0 to 90 days. Okay, they have around 11 crore, 10.86 crore is the, I mean, right now they have the inventory. In this inventory, we we connect with our upcoming reservation and also the PO. This is what we did new in that company. Usually we do the only the bucket analysis, but here, because since they release so much of orders, we found in SIOP, so we just connect with our upcoming reservation and also the PO, released PO. 49% only they can consume, because you see the surprise point is 0 to 90 days. They have around 11 crore worth of inventory. Here they are going to consume only 5.3 crore. So 5.5 crore, that means 51% value. Okay, 51% value is at risk. This is really biggest surprise for us, because they thought that the old stock still they are keeping. But the surprise point is 0 to 90 days. I mean, they start some of the consumption there, but still 51% is at risk. So that is a very big surprise for them. And 91 to 81 days, that is, there are 32% value at risk, but still that is a higher side. But when comparatively other data, 51, 49, 93, so 32 is okay, that's fine. And 181 to 365 days, there are 49%, around 3 crore worth of value at risk. And 1 to 2 years, 93%, that means 2.45 crore value at risk. They don't have any big reservation. And greater than 2 years, 98%. And surprisingly, 75 lakhs worth of value they ordered, but there is no any movement. That means they don't know why they ordered. That is a very big surprise. And also another surprise is, still they made the excess PO for 22 lakhs for 0 to 90 days bucket, and 4 lakhs 87,000 for 91 to 81 days bucket. And another one biggest surprise is that greater than 2 years, okay, they made 14 lakhs. Okay, that means again they are going to add 45 lakhs worth of it. So finally, what is the key takeaway in this audit is, please be careful while you putting the sales order in any ERP. Okay, if you are using SAP, Infaralen, whatever it is, if you are using Excel itself, okay, before putting sales order, because nobody is going to willing to create excess PO, right? That is based on some demand. They create the excess PO, they create the order, they ordered and bring the material into their factory, because anyone is not going to willing to release the excess PO, right? Everyone is going to go for the work, right? But here the point is, key takeaway is, please don't release any single sales order before confirming. Okay, multiple time, please check before putting any sales order. So the wrong sales order is creating so much of mess up. You can see that there are 37% only they are going to consume, and 63% value is under risk. So this is what the key takeaway. So please, again, one more time, I repeat, before putting any sales order, please take care. Okay, so if you want to do any inventory health checkup, let us know. We will do it for you as a free of cost. Okay, I will see you with another one. Not this type of video. I will see you with another one. Good video. Until, be safe. Take care. Bye bye.